Today we're going to determine the percent composition for each element in scandium-3 perchromate. We need to start by writing the formula for scandium-3 perchromate. I know scandium is Sc with a +3 charge. I know perchromate is chromate with an extra oxygen, so it is CrO5 with a -2 charge. So I'm going to cross and drop, and I'm going to get scandium 2, parenthesis, CrO5, and the parenthesis 3. Now, to determine the percent comp, I need to know the molar mass of the entire compound. So to do that, I simply add up how much of each compound I have. So I know that this 2 stands for 2 scandium. So I have 2 times scandium, which is 44.96 grams per mole, plus the 3 distributes in, so I have 3 chromiums at 52.00 grams per mole, plus the 3 distributes in, so I have 15 oxygens, which are 16 grams per mole. When I add those up, I get a total molar mass of 485.92 grams per mole. So now I'm going to find out the actual percentage of each element. To do this, I'm going to look at scandium individually. I know that scandium's part of the molar mass is that there are 2 of them at 44.96 grams per mole. That's how much scandium is there. So I need to find out how much, the percentage of that, from the 485.92 grams per mole. Once I find that, I'm going to multiply it by 100. So my answer is going to be 18.51% scandium. Now I'm going to do the same thing for chromium. For chromium, there are 3 chromiums at 52.00 grams per mole, all over the total compound, which is the 485.92 grams per mole that we determined earlier. Multiply that by 100, and I get 32.10% chromium. Now I still have to figure out the oxygen. So I'm going to take oxygen. There are 15 oxygens in this compound, and each of them has a molar mass of 16 grams per mole. And once again, I'm going to put it over the entire molar mass of 45.92 grams per mole. Multiply it by 100, and I'm going to get 49.39% oxygen. And that's how I determine the percent composition of each compound.